Welcome to cryptrex, your ultimate destination for deep, practical, and real-time insights into the crypto market. If you are here, that means you want to understand how real-time trading works, how professional traders make decisions second by second, and how you can also use these strategies to earn consistently in the crypto world. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Because what you are about to learn in this video could change your trading game forever. Watch the entire video carefully till the end, because every minute you spend here will give you new insights, real strategies, and a mindset that can take you from a beginner to a confident crypto trader. Now, let's dive deep into the world of real-time crypto trading. Imagine sitting in front of your screen. Candles moving up and down, charts reacting every second, Bitcoin fluctuating, and emotions running high. Real-time trading is not just about clicking buy or sell. It's about understanding how price reacts to liquidity, how traders track retail investors, and how you can read those movements before everyone else does. The market is a psychological battlefield. Every green candle excites people, and every red candle brings fear. But professional traders don't trade emotions. They trade logic, probability, and reaction. When you open a real-time chart, the first thing you notice is volatility. Volatility is the heartbeat of the market. Without it, there is no opportunity. A trader doesn't make money from movement in one direction. The trader makes money from any movement, up or down. The key is to understand when the movement will happen. Professionals use a combination of time, liquidity zones, and institutional behavior to forecast reactions. For example, when Bitcoin consolidates near a resistance level and volume suddenly increases, that's not random. It's smart money positioning itself. Most traders chase the breakout, but professionals wait for confirmation and liquidity sweep. Now, in real-time trading, timing is everything. The first step is to know when the market is most active. For crypto, volatility peaks during the overlap of the London and New York sessions. These sessions bring the highest liquidity because institutions are active. Trading outside these times can feel like watching a slow-motion movie. Price barely moves. So if you are serious about trading, plan your sessions during those active hours. The second rule of real-time trading is to trade what you see, not what you think. Every trader starts with predictions. I think Bitcoin will go up, or I believe Ethereum will drop. But in real-time markets, thinking is expensive. Reacting is profitable. Watch how candles form near key levels. Is the market showing rejection or acceptance? Is volume confirming the move? Is liquidity being taken from one side before moving the other way? These clues are what professionals use to anticipate the next big move. Let's talk about liquidity. Liquidity is the fuel of the crypto market. Every big player, every institution, and every algorithm hunts for it. Retail traders often don't understand this. They think price moves randomly. But price moves toward liquidity pools where stop losses are placed. When you see price sharply moving above a recent high or below a recent low and then reversing, that's liquidity being taken. Real-time trading requires you to track these liquidity zones live, identify where the crowd is trapped, and position yourself on the opposite side. Risk management is another pillar. You can't survive real-time trading without discipline. It's not about being right every time. It's about staying in the game long enough to let probability work for you. Use fixed risk per trade. If your account is $1,000, never risk more than 1% or 2% per trade. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, your capital survives. Professionals don't focus on profits, they focus on process. Profit is a byproduct of consistent execution. Now let's simulate a real-time scenario. Imagine Bitcoin is moving around $65,000. You see consolidation near resistance. Price sweeps above the high, takes out liquidity, and then rejects with a long wick. Volume drops, momentum shifts. That's your entry confirmation for a short position. You enter with proper risk and target the next liquidity zone below. As price moves, you trail your stop loss. The trade goes in your favor. You close with a 3-to-1 reward to risk. That's how you build consistency. Crypto markets never sleep, which makes them unique. Unlike traditional markets, you can trade anytime. But that doesn't mean you should. The best traders understand the importance of rest and selective trading. Overtrading kills accounts faster than losses. Pick your setups, plan your trades, and let the market come to you. Patience is a hidden superpower in real-time trading. The market rewards those who wait. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Professionals can watch charts for hours and execute only 1 or 2 high-probability setups. Retail traders, on the other hand, jump into every small move and end up losing more in fees and emotions than in actual trades. Also, remember this: your chart is a reflection of crowd psychology. Every pattern, every candle, every spike represents decisions made by thousands of traders around the world. Learn to read those emotions. When the crowd is overly confident, prepare for a reversal. When everyone is scared, that's when opportunity begins. As you continue mastering real-time trading, you start realizing that the charts don't just move randomly. They move with intention. Every large move is designed to take liquidity, trigger emotions, and test patience. The market operates in cycles of manipulation, accumulation, and expansion. Understanding this cycle is the core of real-time crypto trading. When smart money accumulates positions quietly, you will notice low volatility, tight consolidation, and decreasing volume. The moment volume spikes, that's when expansion begins. Your job as a trader is to catch that expansion early and ride it with proper risk management. Never chase after a move that's already happened. The market always gives another opportunity. Your patience will determine your profits. Real-time trading also means controlling your psychology in real time. Your biggest enemy is not the chart, not other traders. It's your emotions. Greed, fear, revenge trading, and FOMO destroy more accounts than any technical mistake. Every time you feel the urge to jump into a trade because you don't want to miss it, step back. Ask yourself, is this setup part of my plan or my impulse? Professionals make decisions before the trade, not during it. They follow a system. Every trade must have a reason, an entry, an exit, and a risk. Without a plan, even the best analysis becomes worthless. When trading live, watch how price reacts at key institutional levels: daily highs, lows, order blocks, and imbalance zones. These are the footprints of big players. If price taps into an area and shows rejection with a shift in structure, that's a potential reversal point. But if volume increases and structure breaks cleanly, that's continuation. This decision-making process happens in seconds during real-time trading. You have to train your eyes and mind to recognize these reactions fast and act with confidence. A good trader doesn't predict, he prepares. Every morning before entering the market, create a bias. Are we in a bullish environment or bearish? What does the higher time frame say? Which liquidity zones are most likely to get targeted today? Having these answers before the session starts gives you clarity. Then, when you trade in real time, you simply react according to your pre-planned bias. This approach keeps emotions under control. Now, let's discuss market manipulation, a hidden reality that most retail traders ignore. The crypto market, being decentralized, is filled with liquidity traps. Market makers often push prices to take out retail stop losses before moving in the intended direction. This is why so many traders lose even when their analysis is correct. Real-time traders who understand this game wait for manipulation to happen and then trade the reaction, not the manipulation itself. For example, if Ethereum suddenly drops below a strong support, you wait. Don't panic. Wait for confirmation. If price reclaims the same level with strong volume, that's your long entry. You are trading the trap, not falling for it. Risk to reward ratio is your edge in the market. Even if you are right only 40% of the time, a proper risk to reward system can make you profitable. If your average win is 3 times your loss, you don't need to win every trade. This mindset removes pressure. You start thinking like a casino, not a gambler. A casino doesn't win every game. It wins over time because the odds are in its favor. Be that casino. While trading in real time, record your sessions. This is one habit that can drastically improve your performance. When you review your trades later, you'll see patterns in your mistakes. Maybe you enter too early, or exit too soon, or risk too much during volatility. Journaling exposes these flaws and helps you fix them. Remember, growth in trading is not about learning new strategies. It's about mastering your own psychology and refining execution. Let's talk about how to identify high probability trades in real time. Every big move in the crypto market starts with a liquidity grab followed by a structural shift. When price takes out liquidity above a recent high and then creates a lower low, it signals a potential bearish reversal. Similarly, when it takes liquidity below a low and forms a higher high, it signals bullish intent. Recognize these moments live, and you'll find yourself entering the market at the same time as smart money. Combine this with session timing, volume confirmation, and clean structure. That's your professional setup. Discipline and patience sound boring, but they're the foundation of trading success. Every great trader once struggled with overtrading, fear, and greed. The difference between winners and losers is that winners learn to control themselves. They stopped fighting the market and started aligning with it. Remember, you don't control price. You control your reaction. Now, as we enter the deeper side of real-time trading, let's talk about managing open positions. Once you're in a trade, your job is not over. This is where most traders fail. They either panic and close early or hold too long hoping for more profit. The key is to trail your stop loss logically, not emotionally. Move it only when structure supports it. Let the market pay you, don't force it. Scaling out partial profits can also lock gains while keeping you in the trade for extended moves. The more you experience real-time trading, the more you'll realize that it's not about having fancy indicators or complex tools. Simplicity wins. Clean charts, clear levels, and strong discipline will outperform any indicator setup. The market rewards clarity and punishes confusion. Keep your trading environment clean, mentally and visually. Now imagine this. Bitcoin suddenly spikes due to unexpected news. The chart moves violently. Everyone on Twitter panics. Retail traders jump in thinking they're catching the move, but professionals wait. They observe volume, they analyze reaction, and then they enter when the momentum confirms. That's how traders turn chaos into opportunity. The key is awareness and emotional neutrality. Before we wrap up, let's revisit one truth. Consistency is not about daily profits, it's about daily discipline. If you can manage your risk, follow your plan, and stay emotionally stable, profits will follow automatically. Real-time crypto trading is not a sprint, it's a marathon. The longer you stay consistent, the stronger your intuition becomes. Finally, let's end with a mindset reset. Trading is a reflection of who you are. If you're impatient in life, you'll be impatient on charts. If you're disciplined outside trading, that will show in your trades. Success here is not about luck. It's about becoming the person who deserves it. So, if you've watched this video till the end, you are already ahead of 90% of traders who quit early. Now it's your time to apply these lessons, trade smart, and grow with patience. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe to Cryptrex, because we're building a family of smart, disciplined, and profitable traders. The next video will take you even deeper into advanced live trading psychology and market behavior. So don't miss it. Turn on notifications, and always remember, it's not about predicting the market, it's about reacting to it with confidence. Stay focused, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one, only on Cryptrex.